Whistle. He is whistling a merry tune. He is whistling a merry tune. Sniff. She took a deep sniff of the perfume. She took a deep sniff of the perfume. Sigh. She sighed deeply and sat down. She sighed deeply and sat down. Hum. She began to hum along with the song. She began to hum along with the song. Crack knuckles. I am obsessed with cracking my knuckles. I am obsessed with cracking my knuckles. Groan. She is groaning in pain. She is groaning in pain. Tap feet. They are tapping their feet on the floor. They are tapping their feet on the floor. Burp. We shouldn't burp in front of the guests. We shouldn't burp in front of the guests. Scream. She screamed as loudly as she could. She screamed as loudly as she could. Laugh. They can't stop laughing. They can't stop laughing. Slurp. They are slurping in over the tasty noodles. They are slurping in over the tasty noodles. Sneeze. Use a handkerchief when you sneeze. Use a handkerchief when you sneeze. Fart. The smell in the room was unbearable due to someone farting. The smell in the room was unbearable due to someone farting. Hiccup. She is having hiccups. She is having hiccups. Clap. She is clapping and cheering. She is clapping and cheering. Whisper. My noble friend is whispering something to me. My noble friend is whispering something to me. Snore. My brother snores loudly. My brother snores loudly. Yawn. I can't stop yawning, I think I'm very tired. I can't stop yawning, I think I'm very tired. Gargle. Gargle with salt water if your throat is sore. Gargle with salt water if your throat is sore.